Hi friends, welcome to our channel Global Health Helpline. Today we will learn about a homeopathic medicine Carduus Marianus from the book, Lectures on Homeopathic Meteria Medica by James Tyler Kent. Please subscribe our channel to be connected with us. Let's begin. Carduus Marianus. This is one of the most important liver remedies, if a homeopathic author can be excused for the expression. There are many pains, pressing, dragging, drawing, burning, worse from motion. The patient is very sensitive to cold, and is subject to attacks of bilious vomiting at regular or irregular intervals. The author has cured many violent sick headaches ending in vomiting bile, and cases in the habit of taking calomel, with this remedy, sanguinaria. Dropsical effusions with liver diseases. It is useful in hemorrhages and jaundice, when symptoms agree. Sadness, irritability and weeping. Congestive headaches, pressing pains coming periodically. Fullness and heaviness in the head. Sensitiveness of the scalp to cold air. Pressing outward of the eyeballs. Yellow sclerotics. Burning in margins of lids. Burning inside of the nose. Epistaxis. Taste bitter, insipid, or wanting. Foul tongue. No desire for food. Nausea, and vomiting mucus, then bile. Painful retching, and then vomiting sour greenish fluid. Drawing pains from left to right in the stomach. Burning in the stomach, vomiting blood, very black. The most important of all the liver symptoms. Dragging pain in right hypochondrium when lying on left side, like arnica, magmer, natrum sulph and telly. Pressing, drawing, stitching in right lobe of liver. This remedy establishes a healthy flow of bile, and thereby cures the condition that favors the formation of gall-stones. It has many times broken up the tendency to gallstone colic. Portal congestion and hemorrhoids. Sore, bruised, hard liver, sometimes the left lobe, but oftener the right. When complicated with lung and heart symptoms with expectoration of blood. Drawing, stitching or burning pains in the abdomen. Distended abdomen. Cutting pains. The stool is black. Stool hard and knotty. Clay-like bileless stool. Burning in rectum, and anus. Itching piles. Bleeding piles. Inveterate constipation. Burning in the urethra. Copious high-colored urine, with copious sediment. Turbid urine. Retention of urine. Menses copious. Menses suppressed. Uterine hemorrhage with portal congestion. Drawing in vagina, and leukorrhea. Liver cough, when lower portion of right lung is affected, with chronic congestion of the liver. Pains in the chest with liver pains. Stitching pains. Drawing pains, aggravated by motion. Pain in the back under the right scapula, much like Chelidonia menisculus. Drawing pains in the back. Sensitive spine. Cramping, drawing, pressing, rheumatic pains in the limbs. Violent pain in the right deltoid. Pain in the hip joints, aggravated from rising, stooping, and motion. Neuralgic pains in the lower limbs, worse from motion. Edema of the feet. Varicose veins. Ulcers. Rheumatism. And jerking of the muscles. Cramps in the calves and feet. Walking almost impossible. Gastric and bilious feet. Thanks for watching full video. Please subscribe our channel. Click on the links for more videos.